you looking, Gord?
Keep on coming. Shot. Hey, stop. Go
Okay.
counterclockwise, a shade.
Well, what's that?
The other way.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah?
Shot.
Okay, Gord. We're getting ready to put our rings in now.
Yeah.
Are you okay if we go straight down? Because the rings are going in now, right?
Yeah. Just give it a shot. About a half an inch from the opening.
All right, just a shot. That's it. That's all you get. Now we're going rings.
All right.
You okay with that?
Good meeting.
Fuck it. Go.
Well, no, we're
Fucking hate this.
down some more.
Yeah, go down. Okay. Go, stop. All right, Gordon, how you looking? Okay, I gotta go down now.
Yeah. Again? Yep. Shot? Okay, I'm letting it down, Ben. So, peeps, that's a piston being dropped. Now, I will show you the procedure from the other end when she comes on to her bearing. Okay, guys, there you go.